Hello students, we are now learning the use of Windows 10, the operating system. So in our earlier videos, we have learned about the graphics of Windows 10. We know what are icons, what is a desktop and what is wallpaper. We have also learned how to arrange icons. In today's video, I will show you how you can change the wallpaper of your computer. Wallpaper, the picture at the background of the desktop can be changed, and today I will show you how you can change it. I will also show you the use of buttons. So let's start. We will start by refreshing the device. Right click on the mouse, drag the pointer to refresh, left click. Right click on the mouse, drag the pointer to refresh, left click. Our device is now refreshed. So the same way, right click. In this panel, the last one is personalize. We will left click on this, personalize. I will try to focus. The last one is personalize, where the pointer is kept. I will left click on this, left click with the mouse. So in this window, several pictures are there. We can select pictures of our choice to be set as our wallpaper. So for example, let me set this one. I will left click on the mouse and the wallpaper is changed. To see the wallpaper is changed or not, we will move to these buttons. These buttons also on page 13 of your book, it is given. The use I will show you now. The first one, a sign of a minus is given. This one is called the minimize button. On pressing this button, the window will not get closed, but it will be minimized. This window will come to this task view area. About this task view area, we will learn in our later videos. We will learn about the taskbar afterwards, but let me tell you, on minimizing it, this will come over here. So I will press the minimize button. I'll click on it. You can see the wallpaper is changed and the window is minimized over here. If I want to change it again, I can click over here. The pointer, you can see the pointer I will take the pointer over here. This is the window that is minimized. So I will click on this. I got the window. Again I can select any other picture to change. Say this one. Now again I will minimize. The pointer is on minimize. The picture is changed. We will do it again. In the task view area, the window is minimized. I will go here, click it, and I will change the picture again. Say this one. Now if I don't want to change it again, if I don't want to work on this window, I can close it. Close is the last red button with a cross. This is close. On closing it, this window will get shut. It will get closed. And the one in the middle is the maximize or the restore button. I will show you before closing it. I will show you what happens on restoring. Now it is in restore form. If I restore it, the screen has become smaller. We can see the wallpaper at the back, and this is the screen. On restoring, the size of the screen becomes smaller. The size of the window becomes smaller. And now this button name has changed to maximize. Means now if I will click it, this window will get maximized. I will show you this again. I will click on this maximize. See, the size of the window has increased again. So let's press the close button. This window will get closed. You will see it will no longer be available at the task view area. This window is closed and it is no longer available over here. So this is all about changing the wallpaper and little bit of knowledge about the minimize button, maximize button, how to restore it, and the close button. We will learn something more about the taskbar. This bar at the bottom of the screen, this horizontal bar is called the taskbar. We will learn about taskbar in our next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye, students.